Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to share Google Drive link. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to open your Google Drive and then locate that file that you wanted to share. But first, let me show you how to create a new folder. You just have to right click and then tap create new folder. For example, this one. This is the new folder here and you wanted to upload. So right click and then tap this file upload it here. So this is the video. This is the file inside the folder and you wanted to share this. So first you have to make sure that your video here or your folder is not restricted. So to change the settings, you just have to click the three dots, stop share, click share right here. And then after that, you have to wait as it is loading. And then you have to tap this general access right here. Now you have to set this to anyone with the link. And you have the option if you want to set this as a viewer, commenter, or editor. So for example, if you want this to set as viewer, just tap this. But for me, I want to set this as editor so that the person can download or can make some changes with the file right here. Now copy the link, paste it wherever you want. So if someone receives this, then this is what they're going to see. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.